In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to delete contact photo. Let's get started. First, you'll need to launch your phone app, then navigate to the Contacts tab. Over here, you're gonna find the list of the contacts. Now, click on the contact for which you wanna delete the contact photo. Now click on the option Edit, then click on the option Edit again. You'll be directed to this page. Click on Customize, click on the option Contact Photo, click on the option Choose a different photo. Now from here you are able to use any other picture for your contact. As you want to delete your contact photo, you can use these options such as Memoji, Monogram, likewise Emoji. Just use any of it. I'm gonna use Monogram. And once you are done, click on the option Done and click on Confirm. With this, the contact photo will be deleted and a new contact photo will be created. So this way you are able to delete contact photo. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.